Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to offer price match guarantee on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it in. Then, click on Add Apps from the left side and go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Price Matcher. From the results, find and click on Price Parrot Price Matching. Then, click on Install and confirm the installation by clicking on Install again. Once it's installed, you'll see your store name, website, and country. If needed, click on Update Settings to make changes. Next, click on Products from the left side. At the top right corner, click on Filter, then choose With Competitor Match. Set the state to Active and check the matched products. Now, click on Repricing Rule. Then, click on Include All to apply rules to all relevant products. Check the box for Do Not Set Price Lower Than and Do Not Set Price Higher Than to set your boundaries. Then, choose what should happen when the new price falls outside these limits. For example, set the price equal to the highest or lowest allowed value. After that, review and check any other options to finalize your setup. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.